Great Smoky Mountain south of Gatlinburg on 141, headed for Asheville, North Carolina. It is a pretty area. Must be the hole in the wall gang. Well, it says tunnel. Use lights. For 75 feet, you've got to be shitting me. Well, that would be the stupidity of the State Highway Department. Well, we're down off the mountain, and I believe this is Cheyenne. There's a big boy. He's about 10 foot tall. We got a fox with some fish. I believe the bear is looking at the fox. The fox is saying, "These are my fish." Somebody had a good idea. Some fun. Not exactly sure what the bear has a hold of there. He's been laying on this side a lot. Yeah, we got us a big old bear here. All right, time to get back on the road and just get out and stretch my feet a little.